Hello everyone. Myself Varadarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today I'm going to discuss about the business model canvas video presentation with my mentees, Mr. Dakshin and then Harshit, regarding about the company name Amazon. So shall we start the presentation? Yes. The next slide. So here in this particular company, Amazon, we already know that it will be very number one MNC company. So it will be the business model canvas regarding this particular company. Now we are going to discuss about that particular company based upon that revenue generation and all over the market occupation with this particular company. So these are all the 9 key points we just want to make a presentation. So first 3 points I'm going to discuss in that. So first one is key partners. So in this particular company, the Amazon is a multinational company. So particularly that the products sales. So it will be a intermediate. They are doing an intermediate job. So between the seller and then the customer. In between that, they are taking a high amount of revenue. So and also, so the number one sales-oriented companies also. So here the key partners of this particular company, the sellers, authors, publishers, and logistics. We already know that the logistics is very important thing each and every country nowadays, because each and every product which can be used to deliver the customer end and between the seller to customer end within a prescribed time limit. So moreover, not only the Amazon and also the Flipkart and Alibaba, these are all the very big sales oriented and product oriented and logistics oriented companies. So they are in between the companies competition. Each and every company nowadays, based upon the customer satisfaction is very important. So that's why the company they are the Amazon Prime. So like that, the Amazon Prime is nothing but if you are subscribe for that particular Amazon Prime within an hour or within a 1 day of time, whatever the product you are going to select and you are very much like about that product. And on that particular day, 24/7, that delivery time will be very crucial thing. So here sellers and then authors, publishers, and the logistics oriented things, it will be very important key partners. So seller is very important. Without seller, the company is not getting any type of product. No. So by using a seller, authors is nothing but whatever the if any book it can be purchased. The author subscription is very important, and publishers point of view also very important. So the logistics very important thing. Nowadays, each and every logistics company they are having make their own arrangements to deliver the product. So next one is a key activity. So merchandising and development, design and optimization. So manage supply chain logistics and secure build partnership. These are the key activities of this particular company. So merchandising. If you are taken a product, each and every product, whatever the product they are customers they are going to order for the particular product, they are going to take from the seller point. And then development and the design and optimization oriented things, it will be carry over from the seller point, and also the managing the supply chain and logistic oriented things in customer end and the seller end. and secure to build the partnership between the seller and the customer point. So these are the key activities. And then next one is key resources. So the key resources, the fulfillment of centers, technological and infrastructure point of view, and online platform point of view. So these are the very important 3 key points. Next, next Mr. Harshit is going to present the remaining 3 key points. The last 3 it will be going to present by Dakshin. Yes, thank you.
Yes, myself Harshit. I'm going to explain about the value proportion and customer relationships and channels.
Harshit, your face is not visible.
So now,
Okay.
first the value proposition, competitive pricing, selection of goods, convenience, fast delivery. These are the subjects in value proposition. The next is customer relationships, reviews and comments, customer service, phone, online chat, and email. These are all the components in customer relationships. The next is channels. The next is channel, Amazon website and apps and affiliate program. The next, the action is going to share about the remaining segments.
So coming to the customer segments, anyone with internet connection can be done the online shopping, or we can watch the movies, etc. Somebody who is looking for convenience for e-commerce and fast delivery also use as our sad side Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba, etc. etc. are the some of the types of e-commerce website. Then coming up to the cost structure, it is driven by the technology, operation of fulfillment centers, customer service centers, and it also having the software development centers. So coming up to the revenue streams, as I was saying, they have Amazon Prime subscription fees, then commission, as well as the transaction fees. So these are the business model can of Amazon. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.